In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your Shure SM7B to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to use your Shure SM7B with your PlayStation 5. However, as you might be aware, the Shure SM7B is an XLR microphone, and this means that it requires an audio interface to connect to a PlayStation 5. You cannot directly plug it into the console itself, so in this video, I'm going to cover the workarounds that you need to go through to set up the audio interface. So first, you will need an audio interface with an XLR input to connect your SM7B. There are various different options. I'm going to recommend some in this video, but you can do your own research. The most popular choice for streamers and content creators is going to be the Elgato Wave XLR. It is easy to use and it has a built-in preamp and headphone jack, and of course the XLR input that you need. So this is recommended. My recommendation for you, the Elgato Wave XLR. You can also look into the Focusrite Scarlett Solo, which is a more affordable option, or the Shure MVI. Choose whichever one you prefer. Now connect the SM7B to the audio interface. Using the XLR cable, plug the microphone into the XLR input on your audio interface. And once this is done, you just have to connect the audio interface to your PlayStation 5 using a provided USB cable usually. So as soon as you plug it into any of the available USB ports on your PlayStation 5, as long as the SM7B was properly connected into the XLR input, you will be good to go. Now, one last important thing is that you have to go over to your settings inside of the PlayStation 5, choose the sound category, and select audio input device. Make sure that you select the audio interface. You might need to do this manually every single time, but as long as you choose the audio input device as the audio interface, you will be good to go. If you have knobs and other settings available on the interface itself, you can adjust them to your own preferences. Once you have completed these steps and you have selected the audio interface and the audio input device, it is going to be usable on your PlayStation 5. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect your SM7B to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.